Two entities, shapeless, no light, no sound, nearly empty. But within, mass billions of times greater than the sun. They drift through space, silent, invisible, until they meet. Not like two rocks colliding, but like two tears in the fabric of reality, touching. And then, nothing remains intact. Space trembles, time wrinkles, and the universe emits a sound never heard before. No ear hears it, yet everyone knows something monumental has occurred. A death, a union, a vibration radiating through space-time. You are hearing the echo of a collision between two supermassive black holes. And perhaps, it is the first contact between humanity and the true nature of the cosmos. In this video, you won't just learn about black holes, you'll feel the collision of two supermassive black holes as a spiritual experience. Together, we will drift through infinite space. Enter a moment where every definition of matter, time, and consciousness is tested. From Einstein to LIGO, from gravitational waves to the memory of the cosmos. You will witness a collision that leaves behind no light, no image, but leaves behind a permanent change in the structure of reality. This is not just science. This is a poem of space-time. It's where humanity hears the breath of the universe. And for the first time, instead of asking, "Who are we?" we begin to feel, "What are we truly within?" Close your eyes. Imagine you are floating in a space with no up, no down. No left, no right. Only a gentle, boundless darkness without borders. Far away, a flashless flicker, felt in your chest, like a distant drumbeat. There, two black holes, each hundreds of millions of times the mass of the sun, orbit one another like colossal beasts in an eternal waltz. No one sees, no one hears, but each turn, each spiral, warps the space around them. Time doesn't flow there, it twists. And you, like a floating thought, approach the moment they merge. No colors, no sound, only a sensation that what's about to happen will not only transform the cosmos, but transform how you perceive what's called reality. A black hole is not a thing as we once thought. It has no surface, no definite edge. It is space compressed, curved so extremely that time ceases to be time, and force ceases to be force. When matter collapses into its own mass, nothing can stop it. And a black hole is born. When two supermassive black holes collide, they don't crash like planets. They merge like two torn regions of space, fusing into a massive geometric wave. That impact creates gravitational waves. These are ripples in the very structure of space-time, traveling across the cosmos, like a quake not on the ground, but across the fabric of reality itself. Einstein predicted this in general relativity, but it wasn't until 2015 that humans truly heard the collision of two black holes. Through the LIGO observatory. No light, no image, just a ripple, lasting less than a second. Yet that ripple changed everything. It proved that what we call reality can bend, tremble, and fracture. And in the darkest places, where there is nothing, lies the most profound energy. We saw the collision. Not with our eyes, but with our minds. Imagine a still lake at midnight. No moon, no stars, just black water, still as forgetting. Suddenly, an invisible object falls in, no splash, no shape, but ripples expand, pulsing, like a soul breathing in a dream. The collision of two black holes is like that. No light, no explosion, only waves, in the structure of the universe. As if someone dropped a droplet of time into the lake of space. Or imagine two whirlwinds, not made of wind, but of reality, spiraling into one another, merging, becoming a larger, deeper, more silent vortex. And you, standing far away, still feel your heart shift. Because you do not just live in this world. You are part of the fabric that's trembling. You are a grain of sand in an endless desert. And the wind from that collision, though billions of light years away, still brushes through your soul. If two black holes can merge into one, then can the self merge into something beyond? If all boundaries can dissolve between matter, time, and gravity, then is the boundary between me and not me real? If a faint ripple from the edge of the universe can touch your heart, then is consciousness truly confined within this skull? Or is consciousness like a gravitational wave, expanding, resonating, touching others, merging in unseen moments? Are we truly separate? Or are we just mistaken in believing there is a line between I and the cosmos? The collision of two black holes emits no light, no echo, no ashes, but it leaves something deeper, a ripple in reality that you can feel if you're still enough. You don't need to look. You only need to be. And when you are present, you'll realize everything you once thought solid is actually vibrating in a music so distant, so slow. The universe is not silent. It breathes, it sings. And in that resonance, there is you. If you are still here, listening to these final vibrations, then perhaps you've sensed that the collision of two black holes did not only occur in the cosmos, it also occurred within your consciousness. In the next episode, we will not only speak of what has happened, we will enter the unspeakable question: could there be something beyond even a black hole? Something unseeable, unhearable, indescribable, but still felt when you are ready to dissolve into the eye.